Yo, what's up guys, welcome back with this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to weld things together. It's basically how to make a model. Like if you got multiple parts, welding is basically gluing them together. So in every beginner's Roblox journey series, whatever, um, uh, you want to put parts together, right? And then you think a model will help, because if you select it, you select all of them, but it doesn't glue them together. So that's where welding comes in, because literally if I started a Roblox video, I literally thought it was glue them together. So it looks like it would, but wait, just wait. Model is basically a folder, but you can select them. You can select all of the parts inside of them. So you think this should glue them, right? Or this should glue the parts together. Because if you click on them, you click on all of them. Well, it kinda doesn't. This does not glue them together. I will show you how to glue parts together, how to weld constraint and weld it. So basically, just get a model out of here, just put some parts. And also just set it to a simple number. I said 1. And this like 45. So we're just gonna make these two parts. We wanna glue them together. We can add a thing. You can also go to avatar, or no, yeah, the model. Click on create and add a weld constraint. Where is it? Or a weld. Yeah, a weld. It's called a weld, but this is a weld constraint. You need to select the part that you want to weld, like to glue. So this part, you see the red line, is gonna glue to this. That's basically how it works. See, a weld constraint. So now you've basically glued parts together, but it doesn't move together though. But like, it is glued together, right? You can also enable it, because sometimes I just forget to enable it for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah. You can also put this inside the model, so if you select them both, and you glue them together. So that would be simple. But look, now it will be glued. Look, if I just move this, look, it moves with it. See, this thing rotates. If I move this one forward, well, it's way too heavy. But like, look, that one also moves. So this basically it just glues them together. So I mean that kind of was it for this tutorial. I mean, bro, how long have I been recording? 2 minutes? Yeah, 2 minutes. Like this is not even gonna be a long tutorial. Then welding comes. So wait, first weld constraint, right? You did it via from model. You can also just insert a weld constraint. Part 0, this part 1 is gonna be this. Yeah, boom, glued. Same thing. Now welding. Welding is gluing, but it has to be touching each other, or you can move the position. This one is a little bit harder. I also literally just used this literally 1 month ago. No, not even 1 month. I started using this literally yesterday or 2 days ago. So when you glue this together, they will be like inside of each other. But like now, because you moved it, it's gone. It's really weird. Wait, so if I just move this one, yeah, look, it will be gone. A weld is literally like real glue. It needs to be together. But now this part is inside of this part. We can basically just click on C0 or C1. I just use C0. You can just, if you you can literally just move the part with the glue attached. Look, 5, 6, 7 on the, like, this is 7 on the x-axis, 8, 9, oh, 0. Okay, so now it's inside of it again. On the x-axis, on the y-axis, it goes up, down. Wait, what? So is this thing rotated or something? Probably this thing is like not on the front part. Yeah, no, the weld's again gone. But basically that's kind of how it works. It's just like glue, but like if you want to weld something, it's gonna go straight inside of the part, so you don't need to position it. Yeah, or yeah, like if you weld something, the part's gonna stay far away. It's not gonna go in immediately inside of the other part. But if you weld it, it's immediately gonna go inside of the part. So -10. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you guys understand this, right? Orientation should be pretty. Bro, stop. Actually, orientation should be pretty simple. Dude, I said 10. Why? God damn. Dude, are you bro? Look, okay. So don't move them around, because the weld will delete. I just do Control Z to get it back. But you can also, I guess, move C1 position. this one actually goes up if you do the Y. Well, it's still like the x-axis switched or something, because like the x on that side. Wait, so this is 0. Guys, wait, I just want to test something out. So this is above the part, but this is also, if you do here 10, it will go to that side. If you do here 10, it will go to that side. So it's basically just the opposite. So it's like if you do here minus, it will be plus in here, if you understand what I mean. But that's basically all there is to Weld, really. I mean, orientation too, I guess. I mean, 180. Wait, what? 90 and the position, please. Oh, what? Alright. Oh no, this one's also interfering. Okay. Okay. So basically, because you rotated this, look, it's like how am I gonna explain it? It's like a wheel or something. Because like this is the center of it, and if you rotate this one 90 degrees, it will rotate with it. Look, now you're rotating the y-axis, so nothing happens. If you rotate the x-axis, it will just like, you know, when you select, it will go like this. So this is this part is this part, and the part around this circle is basically this part. So if you rotate it 90 degrees, it will, instead of be here, it will be here. It's kind of weird, but that's basically how it works. So yeah, don't complain. Why is the welt again gone? Yeah, that's basically all there is to Weld, and what constraints, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Useful commented, because I just got one comment from a guy who found my tutorial useful, just to know that, I guess. And if you want to play my games, it's in my channel description. If you got any ideas for my game, just comment them on this video, and that was it. Bye.